Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Melvin and I am the King of Scents. If this is your first time joining me, this is the home of 100% honest fragrance reviews. We don't play no games, we get straight into it. Thank you for joining me. So today, we're doing a video on 3 of my favorite summertime fragrances. So let's get right into it. Number 1 on the list, this is Gucci Guilty, the perfume. Now this is a woody, aromatic, ambery fragrance with the bottom note of citrus. Now in my opinion, this is probably the best out of this lineup for the Gucci Guilty flankers that came out within the past few years. It's a crowd pleaser. You're gonna get tons of compliments, and you cannot go wrong with this fragrance. On my skin, it lasts about 4 to 5 hours, which is not bad for the price that you're gonna pay. It's not a very expensive fragrance. So I do recommend you put this in your lineup, guys. Now, number 2 on this list is Dior Sport. Now I've been looking at this fragrance for a while and I finally got it. Actually, it was a Father's Day gift. So this is a special one to me. This is such a beautiful, beautiful fragrance, man. It's woody, spicy, heavy on the citrus. And this is actually an all year around scent. You can wear this every single day. It can be a signature scent. I can't get enough smelling this, man. It's absolutely beautiful. So thank you, wifey, for this one. Number 3 on the list. You know what? This is actually in the number 1 spot. This is Mojave Ghost. This is an amber floral. This is light, it's elegant, it's airy. Nobody's gonna smell like you when you wear Mojave Ghost. This is one of my all-time favorites. You cannot go wrong with the Ghost. Now, the downside on this, it does not last long. You can probably get about 4 to 5 hours, but it is an expensive fragrance. So, if you don't mind spending the money on this, I do recommend you put this in your rotation. It's a beautiful scent. Hey, look, that's a quick one for today, guys. I want to thank you for joining me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'm gonna catch you guys next time.